So hey guys, this is me Shahbaz back with another video, and today we're gonna film a reaction to a video. So this is a video where we will be reacting to songs. Okay, we'll be reacting to famous singers and their singing and their songs. So Furkan, are you excited?
I'm very excited. Hey people, it's Furkan back with a bang. I'm sure you have seen me before because I keep putting some cool stuff out in the internet. So before I start, let's give a high five to each other. High five!
This video is called Real Voice Without Auto-Tune Male Singers Battle of Voices. Okay, so basically what we are gonna do here is we are gonna listen to people and we're gonna comment on it. So what about you, Furkan? Are you into music? Like what kind of music do you generally listen to?
I was born into music. I listen to all kinds of music. All kinds, matlab all kinds.
Let's go directly to the video without wasting any time.
Yeah.
We have some cookies. Okay. Good. Arman Malik.
ना चैन से जीने देगी, ना चैन से मरने देगी, ना चैन से जीने देगी, ना चैन से मरने देगी। चलो ले चले तुम्हें तारों के शहर में, धरती पे ये दुनिया हमें प्यार न करने देगी। मुझे खोने के बाद एक दिन तुम मुझे याद करोगे, फिर देखना मिलने की मुझसे तुम फरियाद करोगे।
Interesting.
Alright, Furkan. So basically, we had three singers, right? We had Arman Malik, we had Jubin, and we had Darshan Rawal. What do you think about each of their singing?
Okay, so the first singer, I don't know what was his name. So the first singer who was there,
Arman Malik.
yeah, Arman Malik. His songs had a lot of passion, had a lot of feeling behind them.
Exactly. See, what I think is his voice is really soft kind of thing. It really hits people hard when you listen to Arman Malik's song. It's like it's something you would like to listen to while sleeping. It's like right. So then comes Jubin. Oh my God, that guy is like
Jubin. So I thought he had a bit dull voice. I think he just had a breakup. So he had a dull voice.
चले चले तुम्हें तारों के शहर में. Right?
Not my kind of vibe.
I think basically his songs are more of a morning songs. You know, as soon as you wake up, you want to listen to some good songs, right? That will freshen you up. It not kind of energizing or something, just to freshen your mind up, right? I'd go for that. And then comes
And
Darshan
the
Rawal.
third guy, Darshan, his was super awesome because it resonated with me. So much of excitement, energy, passion. That's the way he sang. Really, such high energy. It was really nice.
मुझे खोने के बाद एक दिन तुम मुझे याद करोगे. That was like really high, man. That was hitting it. So I really liked all of these three. I feel that these three are good in their own genre. Okay, it's like you can't compare them based on their singing. You can't judge them. Alright. So let's move on to the next song, guys.
जादू तेरी नजर, खुशबू तेरा बदन, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण, तू है मेरी किरण, तेरे दर पर सनम चले आए, तू न आया तो हम चले आए, चले आए, चले आए तेरे दर पर सनम, चले आए,
That's really
तू
good.
न आया तो हम चले आए.
So we had two awesome singers,
Yeah.
right? We had really great singers.
So
That
the
is
first thing I want to
Udit-
tell is they both look like brothers.
Udit Narayan
Yeah.
and Kumar Sanu.
Kumar Sanu, they look like brothers.
Guys, let me just tell you, these were like legends in their own time. Although we don't get to hear them more often these days, but their songs are really hit even today. So, if I am talking about Udit Narayan, sir, what would you like to tell about him? Like, what was your experience? You just heard Arman Malik and all of those people before them, right? And you are hearing him now. What is your reaction? Continue.
Yeah, so what I felt, Udit Narayan, he has a very, I would say, profound voice. Matlab, when you listen to him, it feels like he's talking to you separately.
जादू
हाँ.
तेरी नजर. Yeah, I know, right? It's
So
like
it feels like he has come to your house and he's singing just for you. But when you hear to the second person, Kumar
Kumar
Sanu,
Sanu.
he was also very good. But I think he was singing for a larger audience. But I felt the first guy to be singing to me personally. This is what I
alright.
felt.
So if I had to share my views, I'd say कि Kumar Sanu sir, right? Who like he's an awesome singer, to be honest. I think his songs are more into feeling, right? He'd hit you hard if you had a kind of breakup or if you are into like that emotional trance or something, right? But Udit Narayan's songs, these are like happy songs. Moreover, it's like you should just smile listening to that music.
Like ton, like
Yeah.
feeling. Clicks.
So let's go to the next one.
yeah.
हाय नी हाय नखरा तेरा नी,
So we have Guru Randhawa and Jassi here.
हाय रे टेड गब्बरू ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ, ਹਾय ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ, ਉਹ ਤੇਰੀ ਟੇਡੀ ਟੇਡੀ ਤੱਕਣੀ ਕਮਾਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ, ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਸਵਾਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ, ਡੇਲੀ ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ, ਮੁੰਡਾ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਦਾ ਨੀ ਓ ਬੱਲੀਏ, ਤੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਗਿਟਾਰ ਸਿੱਖਦਾ, ਐਨਰੀਕੇ ਦਾ ਹੀਰੋ ਸੁਣ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਸਿੱਖਦਾ, ਜੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਖਾਲੀ ਪੈਸਾ ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੇਰੇ ਡੈਡ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਡੈਡ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਿਚ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਜੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਖਾਲੀ ਪੈਸਾ ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੇਰੇ ਡੈਡ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਡੈਡ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਿਚ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੱਚ ਦੱਸਾਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਉਧਾਰ ਸਿੱਖਦਾ.
So you heard Guru Randhawa and Jassi. What would you say?
So to be honest, I didn't understand the second guy's songs at all because it
Okay,
was
it's in Punjabi.
Yeah,
Right?
Punjabi. So I didn't understand the second song, but yeah, the first song was really high voltage. I think because it got me into a feeling, a mood, an aura,
Exactly. Yeah.
and I felt that he came inside me and he was singing.
Exactly. Like, sorry to cut you out, but
Yeah.
these kind of songs, okay, I'd like to play them in party. Actually,
Ha.
see, suppose I wanna like totally lose it, okay, totally lose control of that.
You've already lost it.
Yeah, no. Come on. So if I'm listening to if I'm into that kind of zone, if I'm in that audience, I'd play these people's songs. These people's songs, if you're playing with some good bass and all, no, it'll hit you hard properly.
That's what
So-
she said.
Let's cut this part out. It's for kids, okay? Alright. Right.
Okay.
Going on, guys. Going on to the next video, we have Mohit Chauhan, KK, and Sonu Nigam.
साथ मेरे हो तुम यूं, जितना महसूस करूं तुमको उतना ही पा भी लूं, दिल इबादत कर रहा है, धड़कने मेरी सुन, तुझको मैं कर लूं हासिल, लगी है यही धुन। जिंदगी की शाख से लूं कुछ हंसी पल में चुन, तुझको मैं कर लूं हासिल, लगी है यही धुन। अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी।
So we heard three singers, right? We heard Mohit Chauhan and KK and Sonu Nigam.
So
Furhan.
all three of them were really good, and I can't tell which was the best among these three because all three were philosophical singers. When they sing, there is a certain philosophy in the way they sing. So it was not about what they were singing, but how they were singing, because it brought on a whole new dimension.
Exactly.
Like I was in the fifth dimension to
Nice,
say.
nice.
That is what happened.
So I'd say, if I'm talking about Mohit Chauhan, okay, I think he's an awesome singer. Okay, he's like that wavy voice. That he has this amazing song. That's my favorite. तुझे बुला दिया हो फिर क्यों तेरी यादों ने, that all of those songs would fit him properly, right? Coming to KK is like totally going high, bro. Totally. His songs are like lyrically based.
Like this.
Yeah, all of these three singers, no, these are lyrical singers. These people's lyrics, okay, hit you hard. Okay, first of all, their songs are awesome. Their lyrics and their notes, the high notes that they take, all of these three are awesome at their high notes. So talking about songs like that, you actually need a lot of energy for that and to feel that and sing. He's a total different kind of singer. I cannot compare KK with any other singer of this time. So especially the songs which are coming up right now. He was the legend in the period time of from 2000 and 2010, I guess. Like legit, his songs are all lit. Coming to Sonu Nigam, like if you're listening to his lyrics, along with the lyrics and the notes, that will make sense to you properly. He can make you get in that trance, right? It's not like you're listening to it and you're not vibing with it. You will feel that, you will get into that emotion and you'll just feel like, oh, what is going on right now? अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा, right? So now we have Sachit and Akhil. Sachit Tandon. Do you know who these people are, anyways?
No.
I'll just tell you their songs so that you'll know. I guess Sachit Tandon, he's the one who sang that song Bekhayali. So we'll listen to them.
ख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल आए, तेरी नजदीकियों की खुशी बेहिसाब थी, हिस्से में फासले भी तेरे बेमिसाल आए, ओ सो तेरी मैं कसम यही कहूँगा, कीते वादे आनू मरा निभाऊंगा, तुझे हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा.
So both songs were from Kabir Singh, and my personal favorite is Bekhayali because I think that song is really, it heals you from within. And the second song, which was
सो तेरी मैं कसम यूं ही
लौट जाऊंगा. So
मैं तेरा बन
Yeah.
जाऊंगा.
that song has a more of summerish feeling, like it's summer season and
And
you're
you're
in a
just playing
picnic
guitar
and
and,
like
vibe. That is a
that-
rock star. Come on, classical guitar, right? I know. I get it. Okay, fine, come on. These are really good artists. For people who have just come up into this industry, these are really good. If I talk about Sachit Tandon, I've been following him from this reality show. It was called The Voice, I guess. I used to listen to him there. I know about Akhil. Akhil, I guess I've heard him before.
Akhil Roy.
No, this is a totally different.
Okay.
Wait, he's talking about a friend of ours. You don't know. Akhil, shout out to you, bro.
Akhil Roy, what's up, bro?
Alright.
How are you?
So, we have next Popon and Zubeen.
Who are these people, first of all?
Alright.
तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए
Okay.
तेरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए यारी रहम वाली यारी यार पे कुर्बान है सभी यारी मदद आरी यारी ये मेरी जान ये जिंदगी.
So the second song was very nice. It just got me in a really exciting state. I just felt so enthusiastic in the second song. I think it is from the movie, some movie. It was from some movie. I think the actress was Kangana in that. Kangana Ranawat. Yeah.
Good.
So that movie was really nice. Yeah, the song was really nice. Yeah, Lee, that the vibe, like really intense. It teaches about the reality of life. And the first song was, it was okay. I guess it was about some small girl. But I found the second one to connect more with me, I guess. Yeah,
Right.
that's the thing.
So if I talk about, I don't know you've heard Popon before or not, but he's an amazing singer, to be honest. I'd say he's a singer with whom slow music type, right? So something like you just heard, these kind of songs, or songs like Ha Hasi Ban Gaye, these kind of songs, he'll drop in all of these. Because and there was another song of his, Ye moh ke dhage teri ungliyon se jao je. All of these songs where the music is really slow and you just it's like you're sitting on a Saturday evening, right? You're watching the sunset with a cup of tea in your hand and you want to listen to all of these kind of songs. It's something like that. And as for Yasser, I guess sorry, that was Zubeen, right?
Yeah.
So and as for Zubeen, I'd say Ya Ali. I haven't heard more songs of him after that, to be honest. Maybe they are. I don't know if I actually have heard him before, but that song really takes you to next level, especially when you're doing workout, okay, and you want a extra adrenaline boost,
Gains.
right? Extra adrenaline boost. You just listen to him and you'll be Bina tere. You'd go like one more set, dude, one more set for this person. I'll do it one more. Alright.
Yes.
So next we have Yasser and Aditya. Aditya Narayan is Udit Narayan's son.
No. Udit Narayan is Aditya Narayan's father.
That's what I said. Let's move on.
यूं तो अकेला भी अक्सर गिर के संभल सकता हूँ मैं तुम जो पकड़ लो हाथ मेरा दुनिया बदल सकता हूँ मैं मांगा है तुम्हें दुनिया के लिए राम जी की चाल देखो आंखों की मजाल देखो करे ये धमाल देखो अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो अरे चाल देखो ढाल देखो रगों में उबाल देखो
देखो. Alright, so go on, bro.
So
You
I
start.
think Aditya Narayan was better vibe for me, because the first song I think it didn't match my personality type, but I think it's a good song. But the second song really vibed with me as a person, so I would say Aditya Narayan gets the better chance in this song.
As for Yasir, I'd say he sang Mohammed Rafi's song. It's an old song, it's not his own song. I guess he made a remake, or he is doing what do you say, cover song or something like that. And Aditya Narayan sang his own song, that is Tat, right? From that from that movie Ram Leela, I guess. I am right, Ranveer Singh fan.
Deepika fan.
Alright, let's hear it. I guess both of them were awesome in their own thing. He goes more into feel, and he goes more into energy. I'd say. So again, I cannot judge here.
But everything is energy, so you need energy, bro. Finger five.
So next we have Amal Malik and Arjun.
नहीं जाना भुला कर क्यों ये बातें तुम ही कहते रही खुशियाँ नहीं मेरी कि तुम भी वक्त जैसे थे तेरी उम्मीद में जीना हमें है और मर जाना कभी मैं याद आऊं चले आना कुड़िए मैनू सारी खबर मेरे पीछे की कर दी है तू yes I'm talking to you झूठा मैनू प्यार जता के मतलब पूरा कर दी है तू रख सोनिया जवानी नू संभाल के साडी नजर में तेरी हर चाल ते भावे बन ले तू तेज वकी होना एक पेज जदों बह के पछतावेगी गाने में तेरा ते गावेगी ला 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 भी तू मेरे पीछे आवेगी ला 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 गाने में तेरा ते गावेगी ला 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 गली में के बचतावेगी ला 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 ला
Alright, so your reaction on these two?
Yeah, Amal was really nice in terms of, I think he touched my spiritual side
With the keyboard.
I think those frequencies really hit me. And as of the second person, Amir.
Wait, that's Arjun.
As
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
as per the second person, Arjun, I think first of all I need to go up to some girl and tell la 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 la.
Oh, yeah.
Then I need to tell. But yeah, but it was a good song. I think when you're going for a picnic out,
right?
No,
Exactly.
picnic, and you're with a girl and she just says hi, la 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 la.
No, I'd more of listen to the song when I'm driving a car, okay, and I have to play something in the stereo. I'd be like, la 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 la. You know, that you get the jolly kind of feeling when you're listening to these songs when you're driving or you're outside. Not something I'd listen on a party, to be honest. Okay, then coming to Amal, I guess his voice is really same compared to Arman Malik. His and Arman's voice is almost the same. Okay, their singing style and their voices are almost same.
சந்தன தென்றலை ஜன்னல்கள் தண்டித்தல் நியாயமா
शंकर महादेवन.
न्यायमा प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी हो गई मैं मतवारी बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को ए मैं जाऊं वारी वारी
तूने क्या कर डाला मर गए मैं मिट गई मैं ओ जी आज ही मर गए मैं
तेरी दीवानी दीवानी तेरी दीवानी दीवानी.
So seeing my reaction from the second song, you found out that I really liked it. Cause if I didn't like it, I wouldn't have sung it, right? Yeah. So the first song, I didn't understand what it was.
I guess it's in the South Indian.
Yeah. So it was in the
Tamil.
South Indian genre, Telugu, Tamil. Yeah. So I didn't understand, but yeah, it was good because even though I didn't understand the language, but I found the feeling in the first song.
Exactly. I'd
Yeah.
go with I'd say the same because these two singers, okay, they go for a really high note. They don't sing a normal thing. They just start up. इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए. Okay, that is I can't go that high. I'm just trying to imitate them. So and even Shankar Mahadevan, even he is like someone who goes really high in terms of singing, high notes, right? So it would be really bad comparison if we compare them. Let's go for the next. Then we have Shan and Ankit Tiwari.
शान अपने माँ बाप की आन बान और शान.
कितने गहरे हल्के शाम के रंग हैं छलके पर्वत से यूं उतरे तारे जैसे आंचल ढलके और इस पल में कोई नहीं है बस एक मैं हूँ बस एक तुम हो कुछ ना कहो कुछ भी ना कहो यही डूबे दिन मेरे यही होते हैं सवेरे यही मरना और जीना यही मंदिर और मदीना तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां
ओहो
Alright. So guys, we heard just right now Shan and Ankit Tiwari. I'd say Shan is a person who can fit in songs that can make you cheerful.
I think he can make songs which can help you to stay calm. Yeah.
So this song which he just sang is not exactly his. He sang a cover song, but then we understood the quality in his voice is like really awesome. He can make you come up like a cheerfulness.
Yes.
It's like there's the song, no? चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता.
Fana.
Yeah. So all of these kind of songs, it cheers you up. And as for Ankit Tiwari, those are songs you'd like to listen if you're going on a bike. As in you're riding a bike and you just have your earbuds on, right? And you just want to listen to that, and you'll be like, yahi doobe dil mere, right?
But don't listen to that song while you're scuba diving or else you'll drown.
Alright, that was really nice.
You'll drown, because it's a Dubai, right? You'll drown. Yeah.
So we go next to Hardeep Sandhu and Jas.
तू मेरे वल तकदी रहे मेरी तेरे तो नजर हटदी मैं तेरा ब्लड गोली तू बैक फोन जटदी मैं हो गया दीवाना बलिए तू हो के सदाई फिरदी कर दिया करदा उत्ते नी मेरे पोस्टर लाई फिरदी दस तेरे बिना समझूगी फीलिंग है कौन जटदी मैं तेरा ब्लड गोली तू बैक फोन जटदी हाय खाओ ते तेरे अपर दा सजना किसी टाइम ਚੱਕਦੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਕਾਲੀ ਰੇਂਜ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇਨਾ ਵੈਲੀ ਤਾਰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚਿਹਰਾ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਛੱਟੀਆਂ ਚਾਰੀ ਕੋੜੀ ਚੱਡੀ ਘੁੰਮੇ ਬੈਟਲੀ ਚ ਡਾਰੀ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਖੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਦੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਖੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਦੇ Oh yeah. So we had two singers, both were like amazing.
it's like if you want to pick out some girl, right? These singers are the people whom you want to listen to. It's like these are awesome Punjabi singers who would actually, you know, hit people really. I know the zone these songs get you in is totally good. So what about you? What do you have to say?
I would say not to say anything because both were really good.
Yeah, and especially they sang both Punjabi, right? So
Yeah.
the best part about them is they have that voice, they have that strong voice. Okay.
What I thought they can alone sing, like these individual singers can compete with 1.5 lakh singers. 1.25 lakh se ek lada hua, right? That's why
nice,
Punjabi singers.
nice. But then yeah, that's what they have that strength in the voice. It's like तूने रे मेरी आंखें देख ले.
That high pitch
Yeah.
is 1.25 lakh. That's the thing.
So next we have our personal favorite Arjit Singh.
हम ना रहे जो गम तो नहीं है गम तो नहीं है किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है कम तो नहीं है कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया
चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे
चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे मेरे आ भैया चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया छैया.
Alright. So the last we heard was Sukhwinder Singh, right?
Yeah.
So Arjit Singh, if I talk to you about Arjit Singh, I can't actually tell that he's a gifted singer, to be honest. So one place is where you see hardworking singers, okay. One place is where you see people who are talented and hardworking people. So I think that Arjit Singh has that quality where he is talented and hardworking, right? I'm not saying that rest of the singers are not talented, or everyone is, but he has that special thing where even if he's not in the auto-tune mode, he's not in the studio, he can still sound like he's in a studio, and his songs will be like that lit. And as for Sukhwinder Singh, he's like my childhood favorite actually. Sukhwinder Singh, he's like Chal Chaiya Chaiya Chai. You remember that Shah Rukh Khan on the train scene, right? So that song, like you can just vibe on to it, all of his songs, and especially if I talk to you about Sukhwinder Singh, you can play his songs on workout if you're into workout and all. Like most of their songs, like Sultan. Your favorite song, right?
खून में तेरी मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती बीच में तेरा रगून
All of the
रे सुल्तान.
all of these songs, right, which he plays or which he sings, the intro songs especially, they can go really energizing if you're into workout and all. Milka Singh, Ab Tu Bhag Milka, and all of those things.
अब तू जा
he didn't sing that song, sorry.
अब तू जाग मिल्खा
तू है आग, तू है आग मिल्खा.
So I think Arijit Singh, as you told, like he can sing alone and it sounds like he is in a studio.
Yeah.
I think he is the studio.
Oh, that's really good, man. That's
Yeah,
really good.
and Sukhwinder Singh, I think he needs to be in a he needs to be in a school so that whenever he enters the school, children feel that they need to attend the school to hear him sing. So I think he can be in a school.
Nice. So you're telling that attendance doesn't matter anymore. Just put Sukhwinder Singh there and people will be like, I want to listen to this guy.
Yes.
Right. So that's it, guys. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Also check out his channel. I'll be leaving the link in the description. And so if you have any more videos you want us to react on, just send us on the comment section. And we will, as always, catch you guys in the next video.